Jesus Christ, I'll be lucky if I have any hair left by the end of this video. Oh my god, I should not joke about that. Hello everyone! Hello everyone! I was on a live stream the other day and I was talking about how I feel like I say everyone really weirdly. Well, obviously I'm saying it weirdly there, but it's because I'm thinking about it. Hello everyone! Hello everyone! Hello everyone! Okay, that is quite enough of that. So quarantine is the thing, if you didn't already know, and I am dusty, crusty AF. Not to mention my hair is so unbelievably long, totally exposing the fact I'm wearing a dressing gown on my bottom half, but we moved. My hair is so long, and don't get me wrong, I'm a lover of long hair, but it's so dark and I'm so pale, and I saw a TikTok with Madison Beer with short hair and now I want shorter hair, so I decided to cut it. Also, if you couldn't tell, the ring light is out because it's evening time, which means I can't have my usual dose of caffeine. So you may be wondering, Flossie, who is supplying the personality in today's video? She's back. Bitches. I have not drunk anything in a silly long time. I've actually only got a teeny tiny bit, but I've got some vanilla vodka. I'm hoping we don't have to move on to that. Take a shot if you're about to make a bad decision. Oh my god, I feel it in my heart. I feel it in my heart. Have I even mentioned what I'm doing today? I'm cutting my hair. Sorry to my hairdresser Martine in advance. Anyone else see that TikTok of that woman who made like a whole new dog out of her dog's hair? If you guys want me to be 100% honest with you, not gonna lie, I was kind of gonna search a few YouTube videos up before I started this one on like how to cut your hair at home, etc. And then come on, be like, I have no idea what I'm doing, but like secretly actually know what I'm doing. But fun little fact for you that's really not that fun at all. I was actually going to film this video tomorrow night, but I got out of the bath, I got really impatient, and I thought, you know what, if there's one thing I know about hair cutting, it's people usually do it when your hair is wet. That's about as far as my knowledge stretches. So now is the perfect time, because if you think I'm going to be washing my hair 2 days in a row, you are absolutely wrong. We love a lazy bitch. I haven't actually drank Malibu in so long. I'm not gonna lie, you guys know I'm the Malibu queen. Like when a girl goes out, it's all about the Malibu. But I've been slightly unfaithful. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of moving to the vodka side. Vanilla vodka and Coke, it gets me. It takes me back to the days where my nan would make me Coke floats in her conservatory. Oh, how proud she'd be of me now. Sat alone, doing Malibu shots, cutting my own hair. Here. Oopsie. There's literally only a tiny bit left. I may as well just finish this off. Sorry Emma, this one's for you. Although having said that, you're probably sat downstairs having a double G&T right now. Maybe it's your second, I don't know, but don't come for me, lady. I'm 18. Love you, mum. That was for you. First, I'm gonna start off with length. Also, peep the fact I'm literally wearing a clubbing top because I just cannot drink without feeling like I'm going to a club. Catch me seshing with Emma and Howard later. Although, talking of seshing, Howard is literally downstairs with the boys now doing a pub quiz. His social life is thriving. I don't have a mirror also. The viewfinder is literally my mirror right now. I'll have my outfit linked below for anyone who wants to know where I got my dressing gown trousers from. Let's start off with a little bit. A little bit or a little bit? You'll decide. Oh my god. Okay, why is that actually the worst thing I've ever seen in my life? Big regrets. What is wrong with me? Okay, let's try and even that out into a line. I'm literally putting my hair in a glass because I have nowhere else to put it. It'll be fun for someone to find in the morning. Bit here in the dishwasher, lovely. I'm having to go off the viewfinder the size of my toe. Whoa. Oh my god, imagine if my toe was the size of my viewfinder. That would be a big toe. Don't know if that was a good choice. Oh my god, this is so scary. Look at that. Oh. Hair just really do be one of those things that induces anxiety. How did I manage to do such a terrible job? The Malibu's hitting and oh no no no. Malibu's hitting and I really just think I'm out here being Gokwan. Oh my god, it's not too bad. Right, this is where the true test comes in, because I'm actually going to try and do like the front pieces. I know when my hairdresser does this, she just kind of like scores the blade across the hair and it cuts it itself. Oh my god, nearly took my eye out with that. Jesus Christ, that's actually serious. Like, that would not have been good. That did absolutely nothing apart from get like loads of weird shit off my hair. Oh my god, did I just do the thing where like you get all the silicone off your hair? Bloody hell, I'm feeling ballsy tonight. Nope, I'm actually just cutting it. Okay, I'm gonna do something really quite terrible, but I also just don't really care. I'm gonna try and like cut these two pieces at the same time, and that way I can get it even. Ooh! Ooh! How does that look? Okay. What the fuck? Oh my god, does not look good. Does not look good. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Oh, I might have to call my mum in for some help. Is calling the home phone weird? Desperate times, desperate measures. Home phone it is. Hi, do you want to come upstairs and help me cut my hair? I had a bit of an incident. Oh my god, I need to put a top on before it looks like I'm just a weirdo, like dressed in a funny outfit. But Emma is just not going to understand the style, you know. Oh, and of course my camera's flashing. My camera battery's running a little bit low. I've now got Emma upstairs, but she's insisting on putting a little bit of lippy and mascara on because she's a glamorous queen. I've basically decided I'm going to try and cut these front bits with a razor because they kind of need a little bit of gradient. Did that do it? Okay, yeah, that did something. Whoa, that definitely did something. What do I have to lose at this point? Oh, come on. It's not that.
Just stop.
No, I need to take a bit more off here. There's a lesson in life, guys. When people tell you stop, don't.
That's all right, actually.
Yes!
That's better.
Thank you.
Yeah, just don't go any short around your face.
Oh, it's still a bit chunky there, isn't it?
Well, you just can't keep cutting it, honey, because it's just going to get more chunky. Just kind of grade it down. That's it. God, Martine, I'm so sorry.
I know, I said, so's Martine, 'cause she's going to be the one picking up the pieces. That needed to happen.
Okay.
Should we just cut it all to this length?
No. Just don't go any short around your face now.
But I've got the front bit is longer than the rest of it. How does that even happen?
That's why we go to trained hairdressers. So that's starting sort of there, isn't it? There.
Oh, I don't know whether to laugh or cry.
Right, I would just leave that there now. That's quite a lot. Okay?
Look at that.
Yeah, just leave it.
No, I cannot leave that.
I can't keep cutting it, Floss.
No, look at that. I can't.
That's not perfect.
This is not perfect. I have to send this to Martin.
Yeah.
He'll get hemorrhoids. Oh!
But you've cut it so short around your face.
I'll cut you short in a second, lady.
Oh my god, no.
That had to go.
Oh my god, why is this?
You need to stop.
There's a lesson in life, guys. When people tell you stop, don't.
You need to stop.
Okay, well, would you want to cut the back and the... Oh. Look at it.
Because it's like a bloody bulb, isn't it?
Like half an inch.
At the front?
Yeah.
Like that much? Half an inch is
Yeah,
about
like that,
much.
like that.
Okay, and then same length at the back?
Yeah, because I've already cut like a fair amount off. Okay, guys, so we went off camera and the situation is just not good. So we're ignoring her. Now you'll know why I will always have this side of hair tucked behind my ear in YouTube videos.
Right, Martine and Martin, just do not even watch this.
Why does it sound like you're taking loads off? Half an inch, not a pixie cut, babe.
Right, do you want me to just do the ends now? To sort of like layer them so they're not quite so sharp.
Well, to be honest, it can't get much worse now.
Well, this is only the ends anyway, which you're just gonna
I'm contemplating a full Britney.
shut up.
A Howard Clegg style.
Just don't even.
You know what I
Just get the
mean?
clippers out.
Just hate myself so much. I really had faith, you know. I think I let my...
Oh my god, it's just so much harder than it blooming looks though, isn't it?
What are you... Oh, I thought
Do you want me just to like put a few sort of little layers?
No,
No,
no
not
layers.
layers.
Fun fact, every time my mum has cut my sister's hair, she's made my sister cry. Anna is a full-grown 20-year-old woman, may I also say.
Oh Jesus.
What, is it bad?
It's not really bad, it's just not great.
I don't think we should cut any
No,
more off.
I don't want to cut any more off.
I don't think we should. I think
it's fine.
I think we should call it a day, babe.
I think that's a really good
I
idea.
think we should call it a day. I did not, when I asked for like half an inch.
Yeah, but it was so uneven. I had to cut some of the bits. I had to cut some longer bits off.
Was that an attack at my hairdressing skills?
Yep.
Okay, everyone, I'm going to close the video off here. Overall, we were
Not very good.
miserably unsuccessful. I am sorry, Martine and Martin. I will not hold any grudges if you do file a lawsuit against me after watching this video. Honestly, you have every single right to. And once again, I'd like to say an extra big sorry to Martine because she's going to be the one who's picking up the pieces after this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please
get a wig.
Bubblegum pink. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a huge, what's it need to do?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up and
subscribe
to my OnlyFans. I love you all and I will see you all very soon. Just bake banana bread.
Do not do this at home.
Don't cut your own hair.
Do it at home.
Okay, love you, bye.
Bye.
I know I said the video is over, but I'm going to show my sister Anna Clegg to get her reaction. Hi. Can I come in? What do you think?
Of what?
My hair.
Oh, I thought you meant your outfit.
No.
Yeah, it's that. Have you just cut it? Have you just cut it? What?
Well, we both just, it was a joint effort. Mummy did the bottom. I did the best bit.
Yeah, it looks good.
Here. There.
Oh yeah, that looks really nice. I only just realised these
Are you
bits.
serious?
Yeah.
You are such a fake friend because that is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at it. It's bloody terrible.
No, it's fine. I think it's quite cool.
No, it's not,
I
Anna.
think make it more blunt, if anything. Just like go all out.
No, Anna.
Are you taking the piss?
No, she's not.
She's trying to make me ugly.
You're in quarantine.
Oh my god.
That's an art school cut. Make it
It's
more
so
blunt.
bad. I don't want to look like an art girl. I don't want to look like an art girl.